What does it mean to be rich? This question, while seemingly simple, is a multifaceted one that elicits a variety of responses. Today, we delve into the different perceptions of wealth and what it means to be truly rich. In one corner, we have the conventional and widely accepted perception of wealth: a hefty bank account, a sprawling mansion, a fleet of luxury cars, and the ability to afford all the finer things in life without batting an eyelid. This is the image that society often paints of the wealthy, a picture that is further perpetuated by the media and popular culture. However, there is another perception of wealth that is often overlooked. This perception sees wealth not in terms of material possessions, but in terms of intangible assets such as knowledge, wisdom, relationships, and experiences. For proponents of this perception, being rich means having a wealth of knowledge, a rich network of relationships, and a treasure trove of life experiences. Then there is the definition of wealth according to Schwab's Modern Wealth Survey. The average American, according to this survey, believes that being rich means having a net worth of $2.2 million. However, the survey also highlights that wealth is subjective and depends on personal definitions and circumstances. For some, being financially comfortable, with a net worth of $774,000 or more, is equivalent to being wealthy. So, what can we glean from these contrasting perceptions of wealth? Well, the first point is that wealth is subjective. What one person considers to be rich may be different from what another person considers to be rich. Secondly, wealth is not just about money or material possessions. It's about the intangible assets that we accumulate over the course of our lives: knowledge, relationships, experiences. These are the things that truly enrich our lives. Lastly, being rich is not necessarily about having a high net worth. It's about having the ability to live comfortably within our means, to afford the things we want, to be motivated by our desired life rather than money, and to have options and flexibility in life. In conclusion, being rich is a state of mind more than it is a state of the bank account. It's about being content with what we have, pursuing what we love, and living a life that is rich in experiences, relationships, and knowledge. So perhaps it's time we redefined what it means to be rich. After all, as the old saying goes, wealth is the ability to fully experience life. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration. Remember, wealth comes in many forms, and being truly rich is about much more than just money. Please like, comment, and subscribe.